guys, we got a flag and we don't have a ladder to put it on, which the hardware that it comes with is for a ladder. So what we did is, if you take your spare tire mount and put this $20 flag holder on it, and then you can get a couple of 2-inch U-bolts, it bolts right to the spare tire. So Shaunna will bring it in here and show you the U-bolts that are on there. So yeah, the hardware store, they're $3.99 a piece. You go down and buy them, you put them on there, tighten them up, your flagpole sits right on there, and I'll show you how sturdy it is. It is sturdy. It ain't moving anywhere.
And there it is. And it's beautiful when it's lit up, and you have to have it lit up or you have to take your flag down every night.
Okay guys, the hardware that your flag comes with, it can be mounted to a ladder, it can be mounted to a fence or the side of your house, and we don't want to drill holes in the RV, so I opted with a little bit of help from Dave from our Endeavor. That's their YouTube channel. He suggested that I use the little U-bolts, so that's what I did. I ran down and got them, whipped them on there, and man, it works great. So we'll show you guys a video. We'll do a little video tonight of the flag lit up and the
someone just threw a rock at us.
And the
Tom over there with Tom and Lori RV Life.
Yeah, so we'll show you the beacon light tonight.
Yeah. So, and by the way, we have 2 bikes for sale because I want an e-bike. I'm gonna turn around and show you guys. There goes Tom. Who is this guy? It's one of those guys that like to run in the videos, you know?
Streaking with clothes on.
Yeah. That's Tom for you, you guys. You gotta check out their channel, you guys. They are hilarious. We actually met them at Fantasy Springs, and I had been corresponding with them on their channel. And then all of a sudden I said, I can't wait to meet you guys. And then like 2 hours later, they're like, I get a message back on YouTube saying, look out your window. There they are right next to us. So they are the most sweetest people, genuine. They are the real deal. They're the same ones as they are on YouTube. And then they're the ones that introduced us to Dave and Karen, our Endeavor. So it's just been a blast in Quartzsite, you guys, spending time with these guys.
Yep.
And we've learned so much as Quartzsite newbies. And yeah, so I don't want to keep rambling on, but I want to show you guys the bikes too. If you guys, anyone interested in buying 2 truck bikes? Interested in buying these 2 truck bikes? They're pretty much brand new. We've ridden them like 10 times, but we've realized with our disabilities, it's a little bit much for us, and we would love an e-bike. So you guys know how expensive these are. We're selling them for $600 a piece. We paid more than that. I have an upgraded seat right there. So if anybody's interested, let us know. Contact me on my email for my channel.
Hey guys, the flagpole is made by excuse me, is made by Poles and Holders, and they sell them over at Flagpole Buddy at the big tent here in Quartzsite. So that's where you get them. That's who it's made by. And if you would like, for $2.95, I can sell you my setup.
No.
Just kidding. Go down to the tent and get your own.
Yeah, and the prices are what they would be online too. They're very reasonable.
Yeah, Shaunna double checked on Amazon. I checked on eBay, and
sorry guys.
You gotta turn it, honey.
Yeah.
Flick your wrist a little bit. There you go. We're not going to edit this out. We're going to keep it. So anyways, yeah, go down to the tent and grab a flagpole. We checked Amazon, we checked eBay for the lights, the UFO that lights up the flag, the beacon light, the pole, the holder, the whole 9 yards, and they're the same price as they are at the big tent sale. So you guys run down and get one. Tell them Jantz Road Trippin sent you.
Right? So anyways, we just wanted to show you guys that. We forgot to mention that in the first part of the video. So
yeah. So we're going to head to Parker and grab a few items from Walmart and go to Starbucks and do a little coffee drinking. And
we also have something new coming up on Tuesdays. It's going to be called Road Trippin' Tuesdays for the Jantz Road Trippin' Tribe. So we're going to talk about what we do during the week, what's going on. So we have a weekly update, if anybody cares out there. So.
Yeah, so we'll do the Road Trippin' Tuesday.
Sorry, I'm learning to work this move.
And that'll be, yeah, like Shaunna said, what we do throughout the week. And we'll kind of just give you updates on that. And then we'll do our regular video once a week other than that. So you'll get 2 videos a week. And no, we're not doing Patreon.
Bye-bye. And then woohoo! And then also, so this first Tuesday will be will be about our Quartzsite experience so far. Quartzsite 2020.
Quartzsite 2020.
Okay,
it's gonna be a good 2020. I got a feeling.
All right.
I got a feeling.
All right.
Are you feeling it too?
There we go again, this move. All right, guys, we'll let you go. We'll see you later.
We'll see you on the flip side.
Yep.
Jantz is road tripping RV.